Thank you for watching this video on Icon's Bluetooth connectivity options. We will be covering the methods of turning on Bluetooth through Windows 10 and connecting devices through Icon. It is assumed that you have just turned on your tablet and you are looking at the Icon software home screen. The first thing we want to do is touch the Windows Start button found at the bottom middle of your tablet. If you are using a 10-inch tablet with a green border, this button will be a raised circle with 4 squares. If you are using the 7-inch tablet with the yellow border, this button will not be raised, but will still be a circle with the 4 squares. When the startup menu comes up, touch the magnifying glass and type Bluetooth. Under Best Match, Bluetooth and other device settings should come up. Click to open that option. At the next screen, turn Bluetooth on. Depending on your tablet, another option is to click the notification tab on the taskbar after touching the Windows Start button. This will open a tray that shows the Bluetooth settings button. By right-clicking this button, we will be taken to the same settings screen where we can turn on Bluetooth. It is important to check that Bluetooth is turned on within Windows when you receive your tablet for the first time, because if it is turned off there, you will not be able to pair and connect devices from within the Icon software. You may now close the settings page by clicking the X at the top of the screen. This will return you to the Icon software's home screen. At this point, we need to turn on the total station in order to search for it and pair the devices. You do not have to set it up on the tripod. If you're in the office setting up your equipment for the first time, you may leave it in the box while it is turned on. Once the instrument is turned on, the power light should be yellow and the COM light should be red next to the power button. Also, near the top of the instrument, there are 4 light bulbs. The one above the power symbol should be yellow as well. On your tablet, touch the Devices button found under the Settings in the lower right corner of the screen. If you find that there is already an instrument or multiple instruments listed here, click the red X at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, click the All box and then click the green check mark at the lower right corner of the screen. Click OK at the next prompt. Now your Profiles list should be empty. We did this to ensure that we only connect to the total station we want to use and reduce problems in the future. Now click the green plus symbol at the bottom. Under Details at the top right of the screen, click the blue words with the arrow pointing to the right. Look at the right side of your total station and be sure to select the name in the list that matches the name of your total station. Click in the area next to Profile Name to give your total station a name that is recognizable to you to reduce future confusion. Click the green check at the lower right corner of the screen. Mode should be set to Bluetooth. You may click Start Search. You may get an error message that reads no sensor found during search. Make sure the sensor to be found is powered on. Start a new search or change the communications mode. If so, click OK. On the total station, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds and then release. Click Start Search again. Under Search Results, you should see an ICR name appear. Click on it. Once it finishes connecting, click the green check at the lower right corner of the screen. On the total station near the top, you should notice now that you have a yellow light above Power, a solid red one above Signal, and a blinking yellow one above the Send Receive arrows. In the lower left corner of the screen, touch the House button. At the top of the home screen, you should now see symbols representing the total station, a mode of measurement, and a level bubble. Another way to tell you are connected is by re-entering the Devices button under Settings. The profile you created should be solid blue. Ways to tell if you have lost connection: if I power off the instrument now, I will see at the top of the home screen that there now appears a Bluetooth symbol with a red X on it next to the symbol of the total station. By entering one of the layout functions, I will be prompted on the upper right corner of the screen that connection has been lost on a yellow background with an exclamation mark. You should only have to pair the tablet and the total station when you first receive it. The next time you power them both on near each other, they will automatically connect. If in the future you begin having connection issues, you may repeat this process to establish a new connection. At this point in the hands-on training, we will go over tips and tricks to maintaining Bluetooth connection at long distances. If you are watching this video as a refresher outside of training, you may contact me directly for assistance. Please continue to the next video for training with accessing the digital bubble.